What's up everyone, Mario here again with another video, giving you tips on how to start and expand your t-shirt slash crafting business. And today we're going to go ahead and answer one of the internet's most asked questions: how do you remove a background from an image? It's actually quite simple. I'm going to go ahead and show you 3 ways to do it. We're going to have a free way, a semi-free way, and a paid way. If you want more tips on starting and growing your t-shirt slash crafting business, make sure to go ahead and subscribe, leave a like on the video. It majorly helps the channel and it tells me that you guys are enjoying what I do and you're finding it helpful. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first method we're going to explore is a website called Removebg. All you have to do is just grab your image, drag and drop. It'll upload it and then it'll automatically remove the background. There you go. Super easy, super quick. So once the background is removed, just go ahead and click download HD. This is going to cost you 1 credit. To get that 1 credit, all you have to do is sign up for free. When I sign up with a test email that I made, you're going to get an activation email. Go ahead and activate the email. Go back to remove.bg. Go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, re-upload your image. Then you'll see here the image from before and just download HD. Now, once you download it, you'll download the full resolution image and you'll use your free credit. After that, any image you want to download for free will be restricted to 408 by 612 pixels and the quality will just be severely lowered. If you want to keep doing this, then all you have to do is purchase more credits. And if you want to check out the pricing for the credits, just click up here where it says pricing, and then you have all that stuff there. I don't use any of this. I use the other method, the Photoshop method. So for Photoshop, we have both images pulled up. So go ahead and open your layers, create a new layer, put that one under, select the top layer, which is your image. And the easiest way to go about this with a solid background is head on over to your little bar here and then look for the magic wand tool. If you can't find that, you have a little search bar. Just type in there magic wand and you'll see it. All you have to do is click, delete. Get any spare parts like this O here, in between this A, the R, and that's how you remove a background using the magic wand tool. Now, if you have a more complex image with a more complex background with different colors, shades, and all that stuff, this can work, but it won't be as effective. Now, there are a bunch of different ways to do this, but this is the way that I do it. It is probably the wrong way because nobody ever explains it this way. But the way I do it is I just go ahead and get the eraser tool, zoom in, right click, set the hardness to about 70%, and then just start chopping away at it. Now, yes, this method is time consuming. Right click, lower the size. Get these little corners in here. And then you can just continue doing this around the whole image. It will take a while to do the outline, but the background is a lot easier because you could just make the eraser bigger and just take everything on at once. If you mess up and let's say you go over the face or whatever you're doing, Control Z is undo. And that's the finished product. It could be a lot cleaner, but I kind of rushed through it and I got lazy at the end. But that's one way to remove a background. So I know a lot of people might actually look at this and think, what's he doing? Most people, from what I've noticed, don't just go ahead and grab the eraser tool and start erasing everything. But that is how I learned. I find it very easy. I find it a pretty easy way to start. And honestly, with what I'm using it for, it works. Now, with that being said, let's continue. I do realize that Photoshop is a paid program and not everyone has it. So a free version you can try is Gimp and then remove the background using that. So first head on over to gimp.org, download and install the software. This is the way to remove background with Gimp. Pretty much the same way as in Photoshop, except with different named tools. So here you're going to look for the fuzzy tool when you have a solid background, and then you can just go ahead and click it and delete. Do the same for the little spaces and background removed. Now with a more complicated background, I would be doing the same thing as I did in Photoshop and just getting the eraser tool and starting to delete around the edges. Settings are pretty much the same. You can adjust your hardness over here on the left, the size of the brush. If you found any of this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also leave a comment with something you'd like to see in a future video. Thanks to every single one of you for watching today, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.